Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing today? It's your boy Ty, back here with another shoe on Ty's channel. Hope y'all have been keeping safe. I know it's getting to them holiday times, and I know it's been rough. It's been rough all year. So hope you guys staying safe. But I'm back. I don't know if y'all can see right here. Another sneaker for you guys. Now these came out a while ago, a couple months, but I've been sitting on them, haven't got a chance to make another video. Been super busy, just trying to stay active and stuff while the quarantine and corona pandemic happens. But yeah, I'm back. So today got two boxes for you. Same box, different shoe. Got two of them. Oh, this one has there you go. All right. So we're gonna get into this first one first. The top one first. All right. And as you guys can see, Boost, if you know shoes, see the 350. You know who made these? My boy Kanye. He was in the sweatshops himself putting these together. All right. So let's get into them. All right. Before we see the shoe, let's just talk about the code right here. So if you're talking about the colorway, all right, it is Israfil. All right, it says Israfil, but so these Yeezy Israfils, all right. Now these shoes, or more the name of the shoes, cause a lot of controversy. All right. So if you don't know, the name Israfil actually comes from the Quran. And as you know, Kanye, not a Muslim. So he got a lot of blowback for naming these. And then when we get into the second pair of shoes, I'll talk about those. But I don't know if he drew inspiration from the Quran and he decided to name these after like a Muslim god. But little dicey, Kanye, can't be doing stuff like that. So these were already out by the time like the blowback started, but the next pair of shoes that I show you came out after, and they ended up changing the name of those. So we'll get into those. But yeah, this is actually my first pair of Yeezys. Won them off the Adidas app. Super clean colorway. I really like them. So let's get into them. All right. So as you know, all Yeezys for the most part, 350s made up of a prime knit upper. So when you put these on, it basically feels like you're wearing a sock. Like these, I've heard some of the comfortablest shoes that people have worn, along with the Ultra Boost. Adidas makes some comfy shoes. That's just what they do. Kanye always gonna have to get his tan colors in whenever he's making his Yeezys. That's just who he is. He draws inspiration from deserts, sand, stuff like that. Maybe he likes to spend his time on the beach. But yeah, I really do like this pair of shoes here. So yeah, you got the sand stripe going across, and it's like a mesh material almost. Like it's not made of the same prime knit, but it's like a mesh material, and a little bit of it is see-through. If you see that, you can see my finger. But yeah, it's pretty nice. This was actually the first pair of shoes, the first pair of 350s that came with the infinite lacing system here. So all the other 350s before this came with your regular laces, which Kanye was ever so nice to include with. So if you do want, you can switch them out to the regular laces. But, however, if you do decide to take these out, the only way to do it is to cut them. And once they're cut, you can't put them back in. So it is a permanent decision. So my sneakerhead fans out there, what do you think? Would you rather have the infinite lacing system, or would you rather have the regular laces? Personally, I think this is a nice touch. Like, you're not gonna get like foot support from the Yeezy anyways. Like, the laces are more there for like cosmetic reasons. So I feel like you should, if you're gonna do it, let's go with the infinite. It's different. It's nice. Like Kanye. But yeah, super nice. Like, I don't know what color I'd classify this as. It's like a grayish blue. Like upper, I don't know if you guys see that. Even on the midsole here, it's like a grayish blue color. And then the outsole is like your typical gum bottom. You got your Boost here. It's like a nice, it's like what packing peanuts are made out of almost. It feels pretty cool. But yeah, also size 14, Bigfoot gang, you know. Adidas has blessed me. Can't complain. Cannot complain at all. And yeah, I like these. The stitching up the middle, as you can see, separates the medial and the lateral side of the shoe. It looks pretty good. Honestly, this is my first time seeing a pair of Yeezys in hand, and I must say, I'm not disappointed. I feel like he should release like a couple more unique colorways. Don't get me wrong, Kanye is super unique, but all these desert sands, you know, type colors. This is a nice colorway right here. Probably my third favorite 350 to drop this year. Zion's, that was up there. But this next pair, these might be my favorite 350s. So we're about to get into those. So these are these. All right. Right here. Thoughts. Boom, bam, bow, beep. But yeah, those are nice. All right, so let's get into the second pair here. All right. Second pair. Again, same box. Same box. Tyler, you got two pairs? I did. Got two different pairs of these joints right here. All right. So let's look at the second pair. These ones a little more wrapped. You see that? Bang, bang. All right. These are called the Carbons. The Yeezy 350 V2 Carbons. All right. So, I don't know if you guys remember, as I mentioned earlier, these were not originally called the Carbons. These were actually called the Azraels, which again drew inspiration from the Quran. And because of the blowback the Israfils received, they had to change the name of these. So instead of calling them the Azraels as they were supposed to be called, they ended up changing it to the Carbons. And you can tell why it's called the Carbons. You see the colorway. It's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe. On these ones, as opposed to the first pair I showed you, these are got the all black upper, and then they almost got like a translucent, it looks glow in the dark. I don't believe it is though. It got the glow in the dark midsole here. And the outsole's a little bit of a darker color. It's like a flax almost. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the color difference here. Also with the boost. All right, but these are much cleaner. I feel like these can go with anything. And then these also got the infinite laces. So again, they also come with the spares. So if you really, really, really want, I guess you can take them out and put the other ones in. But that's up to you, completely up to you. This prime knit, however, is made up of some Spurs colors, honestly. You got the black and you got the gray, some neutral colors, which Kanye is known for. But yeah, I like these. The main difference between the two pairs of shoes, I'll show you guys here, is the stitching that separates the medial and lateral sides. So this is your typical Yeezy stitching. If you guys can see, you see how they do the little X's up and down? So it's not like a complete stitch. On these ones, as you can see, it's more of your, like a t-shirt type stitch, you know? And they just go all the way up, so you can see the difference there. But these are both very nice shoes. If you don't have a pair of Yeezys, I suggest you go get them, because Yeezys are some of the nicest shoes out there. Besides your OGs and, you know, all your Nikes and Jordans, like Adidas, they have some sleeper picks, I'm telling you. Nike fumbled the bag with Kanye. He wasn't liking their creative decisions, and he went to Adidas, and he really flourished. Don't get me wrong, those Nike Yeezys he made, those are costing you a pretty penny, but he's definitely doing his thing with Adidas. Interested to see what he's doing next, because I don't know. The creative head at the Adidas, the Yeezy part of Adidas, he stepped down, so I don't know where Kanye's headed from here, but Kanye, he always knows his next move is like chess, so I feel like he'll get the job done. But I think that's about everything for today. Let me know if you guys have any recent cops. I got these not too long ago, probably in the summer, but haven't had the time to make a video. Hope you guys are staying safe. That's important. Christmas is around the corner. You know, I know it's the most festive time of the year, but make sure you stay away from that Rona. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.